Okay. Yeah, this is the transmission fluid coming out of my Porsche. You know, this is where you get it. Transmission fluid. We're changing it. Then we're gonna pull from there. You can see that I'm showing you a raw footage. That is it right there. It's a little bit darker. It should be, I don't know how long it's been in there, but this is it. 4.5 Porsche Cayenne 2013-15 GTS and an S transmission. We're underneath it. I'm giving it a fully thorough cleanup because, you know, I don't know how long it's been in there. So you got to invest in that if you don't want your transmission to go. I can smell it. I think you take about 6 liters. So we're putting a brand new stuff in there today. You see it coming out? I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. That's it. Wow. That's not 6 liters. That's it. Then I'm trying to see if we can do the diff. This is the diff over here. See if we can do that as well. Yeah, you know, change all that. So it's coming out. It's a GTS. So we're doing. Check my channel. I'm gonna be putting more for you guys, you know, so we can all, you know, get along and save cost. You understand that? Okay. That's not 6 liter. Anyway, my guy, China. Alright, peace.